How to add Western Union money at Walmart. Go to a Walmart store near you. Find the Western Union service desk. The location may vary, but it's often situated near the customer service area. Provide the necessary information to the representative. This may include your name, the recipient name, the amount you want to add, and the Western Union account details. Follow the instructions provided by Western Union. To complete the transaction, you may need to fill out a form with the required information. Pay the amount you wish to add to Western account. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.